welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. Oh, real quickly, I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and today we are going to talk about some upcoming stuff on the channel because, hey, it's May. Gonna do for the channel for May. First of all, if you want to know more about this cutie in the background, the video is linked down below and the thumbnail looks like that. Also, if you haven't seen my fabulous collab with my good friend Gnome Creations, please go check out that. Our videos will be linked down below. So, what's coming up in May? Thing that happens in May in the crafting world that I kind of want to jump on board to. Need a hint? MerMay. What's MerMay? That's a very good question. I'm not actually sure who started it, but it's basically all things ocean and mermaid and mystical, under the sea kind of feel. And this channel is going full force MerMay. I have tutorials that will be in that theme. My Broadway Bears will be that theme. Leave your guesses down below. And we have a few more crafting type things that may or may not be tutorials that are coming up on the channel that are very MerMay. So, hope you come back to see what all that's about. Also, did you see my tutorial for my little cuties? That came out a few days ago, so I hope you all saw it, and if not, don't worry, I'll link it down below. Those are my Pill Pal Pets of my Pill Pal Pet series. Say that fast 3 times. And there will be a whole lot more Pill Pal Pets in the future. Oh, why is it called Pill Pal Pets? Because I'm a spoonie. Pill, medicine, it's a joke. And they look like a medicine capsule. So, yep, that's where that came from. I'm also going to do a few more flip-throughs on this channel. What's a flip-through? A flip-through is where we go through a book, and I have several, and look through the patterns and show you the parts that Amazon and Barnes & Noble and places like that won't show you when they say, see inside this book. And then they basically show you the table of contents and a couple of pictures. No, you want to know what are you about to buy, right? So that's why me and my friends make videos like that. So this video was just a quick little what's coming up on the channel kind of video. You guys seem to like when I tell you and tease about what's happening on the channel, so I thought I would make that for you. So that's it. Super quick video. Very easy. Are you excited for MerMay? Oh, let me know down below. Are there any books you want to see? Let me know down below. And what are you guys working on? Tell me. I love that kind of stuff. Thank you for joining me today. Please turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I don't stick to a schedule, so if you don't turn those on, you may miss one. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have over here. We have Broadway Bears. We have tutorials. We have hook reviews. We have chaos. So if you like my kooky chaotic vibe, come on back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.